Hey you, welcome back. So today in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you one of our home organizing products that you may have overlooked, but I promise you are going to want it after this video. So let me know in the comments if you have one or if you have one added to your wish list after this video. So this is called the double zip storage bin. So I know at the beginning of the year, we're purging, we are cleaning out those closets, we are trying to get ourselves organized. And this is going to be the product to use in your closets, in your linen closet, however you decide to use this. I promise you, you're probably going to want more than one too. I'm like, I think I need another one. Especially like for me, I have so many t-shirts and don't want to get rid of them. And so I think this is going to be great. This is also great for out of season clothing when you need to switch things out. So this is called the double zip storage bin. You can see that it has a clear top, and then you also have a clear section right here. So what I love about this is when you are using this for out of season clothing, but maybe it's getting a little bit warmer, but you still need a sweater or vice versa, and say that sweater that you need is all the way on the bottom. What's great about this is you can get into here two different ways. You've got a zipper thing on the top, and then you also have a zipper flap on the front. Now, this does have webbed handles here. This is the one in fawn patchwork. This is the fawn patchwork print. And then you can see that I did the personalization here, the ampersand, so this and that. I did the ampersand sign in fawn thread color, and then I did the this and that in cappuccino. Okay, so this has a zipper on the top. Where is that zipper? Over here. So the zipper on the top, it is clear so you can see what's in here. I actually have this filled with towels, and I counted them, but I forgot 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 5. These are like towels. Just to give you a little size comparison, these are very large towels. So I have 5 towels over here, and I think on these older ones that I have, there's like 6. You know how they get a little bit smaller over the years. So anyway, there's probably 11 towels in here. And then this front little zipper flap opens up too, so where you can grab something out off the bottom. And so I think that is such a great feature of this. And I do have one of my customers, Lisa. She actually used this in her linen closet for sheets and things. So she put queen on one, and she has all her queen sheets in here. And then she has one for her full size sheets. So there's so many ways that you can use this. And even if you don't know how you're going to use it, you could personalize it with this and that. Like I didn't know how I was planning to use this, so I didn't want to put it on there. So that's why I do that a lot, or I'll put like organize or something on there, because I don't know what I'm going to organize with it. I know I'm going to use it, but I don't know exactly how I'm going to use it. So that's why you can do some generic personalization. But anyways, this is called the double zip storage bin. Now, if you grab this at regular price, then you qualify. This unlocks you a 31% off item. So you could grab another one, get 2, get one at regular price, get the second one for 31% off, or you could get some other organizing products. So I wanted to show you something else. This is the shelf storage bin. I'm trying to remember the name. Shelf storage bin. So this is also great in your closet. So like for this, I would probably put on the top rack of my closet, and this I might put like in the middle. So you could put organize your t-shirts, folded up t-shirts in here. You might use it for socks. There's so many ways that you could use this, even in your pantry. I don't want you to just limit yourself to a closet. You could use this in your pantry. You could use this for cleaning supplies. So many things. So it is basically kind of the same size as the double zip storage bin. It also has clear right here, and then I did the personalization, keep it together, because I didn't know exactly how I was planning to use this. It does have a webbed handle right here. You can see that it is shorter in the front and then gets a little bit taller in the back, and it does have that hard bottom, and this has that hard bottom too. I just forgot to show you that. So this may be something you decide to grab as your 31% off item, or don't forget about our little storage bin. So this is called the Your Way storage bin. This is so handy too, to keep things together, whether you want to put this on your bathroom sink, and have all your items in here. Also the Your Way rectangle. So this is the Your Way rectangle. We do have also in this print too, the Your Way cube. I actually use the rectangles and the cubes and this in my closet. Like, I love it. So back when I had a full-time job, I would leave my house at like 5 a.m. to get to work around 6. And so my husband was not awake yet. So instead of getting ready like in the bedroom with, our dresser, clothes in my dresser, I would have everything in my closet to get ready in my closet so I wouldn't wake up my husband. Nice wife, right? So anyways, I have the Your Way rectangles in my closet. I have one that says undies and one that says socks, one that says just like, undergarments and things like that. So this is what I use, and you can get lids to go on this. So this lid, but literally, like, you can use these under your cabinets. There's so many ways to use these, and one end is clear. So you can have a clear end so you can see what's in there. And then on this end is where you would personalize. My daughter has 6 of these in her closet for all of her Barbies. I mean, literally everything. So, so many ways that you can organize with 31, but I really wanted to call your attention to the double zip storage bin, because I think it's fantastic. It really does hold a lot, whether you put jeans in here, sweaters, I mean, you name it, towels, sheets, however you want to use it. It's really great to organize your closet. So I hope it was helpful to see this in person. Sometimes we just scroll past these things on the website, or even just flip past them in the catalog, and they are truly great. So I hope I called your attention to this one today. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. That way you'll get a notification on your phone when I post a new video. If you're watching today and you do not have a 31 consultant and you live in the United States, I want to be your 31 girl. So I'll link below my VIP group on Facebook. You can click to join, answer the 2 questions. I'll send you back a private message. Make sure that you check that message request folder, or sometimes it'll go to a spam folder, but check all those folders, and hopefully you'll see that message to me. If you're not seeing that message from me, go to my personal page on Facebook, my personal profile, and click message, and hopefully you'll see my message to you there. Also, if you're watching today and you're like, okay, I want to do what she's doing. She's just making videos on her phone and staring at her phone. I would love to help you launch your 31 business, whether you have goals to make extra money, to organize your home, or just to have something for you. I'd love to chat with you and see if 31 might be a fit for you and your family. Or if you're interested in hosting and organizing an area of your home with your Hostess Rewards, I would love to set up a shopping link for you to share with your friends and your family. Okay, I hope that you have